Vandanam, Namaste. Welcome to GT Hatch. In today's video, I will be sharing the second part of peplum blouse, which contains sleeves and peplum part. Before that, make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get notified. Come on, let's get into the video. Here, I am going to make puff sleeves with cuff, which is similar to bishop sleeves. For that, I have taken the sleeve length as 18 inches. Take sleeve breadth as much as you want. Here I am taking 16 inches. Mark the same sleeve breadth at sleeve's top also. For side sleeve length, reduce 3.5 inches from top and mark a line. Mark armhole measurement of 10 plus 1 inches from side sleeve length point and not from center. I have left 6 inches from center, which is to make puff. Now we can cut the sleeves. Mark the point from where the sleeve starts and give notches to that. Give a slight curve at bottom. Then deepen the front sleeve and cut it. To make ruffles at bottom, do a rough stitch and pull the thread. Here I am going to make a rope to tie the cuff. I need 2 ropes for each hand, so I have taken 4 pieces here and they are right sides facing each other. Take the rope length as much as you want. First, draw a rope shape as shown here. Then cut along the shape, leaving 1/4 inch for seam. Similarly, cut for other hand. I have cut here 4 sets for 2 hands. Start to stitch the rope from one side and finish stitching at other side. Then give cuts and turn it. We should not stitch the top. After turning, give a top stitch. Make the other 3 ropes in the same way. For cuff, take 2 canvases for 2 hands. Its width is 11 inches and length is 2 inches. Width of the canvas is equal to where the sleeve ends. Take a piece of cloth which is 10 inches wide and 5 inches long. Place canvas on the cloth and iron it. Fold the cloth for half an inch at both the corners and give a good iron. Then place ropes in between both the ends and make a stitch. I have stitched the corners and taken the rope out. This is how it looks after turning. Before making gathers, fold and stitch for 2 inches from sleeve's bottom at both corners. Then make gathers according to cuff's width and insert into the gap. Then make a stitch on it. See here, I have inserted the gathers into cuff. I have done both the sleeves. Now we have to attach sleeves with body. For that, mark 2.5 inches from center of the shoulder on both sides. Then match sleeves center with body center and pin it up. Now start to attach sleeve from both the corners. See here, just I am pinning it up and we have to make stitches till the notches which have been already given on sleeves. We can make puff with this leftover part. Match sleeves center with shoulder and make 4 to 5 puffs on each side. Puffs can be made either facing each or facing opposite. I have made 5 puffs on each side and secured them with pins. Now stitch through the armhole round. After stitching, we will get a beautiful puff like this. Similarly, attach the other sleeve also. For peplum, take a fabric and fold it half by width. Again, fold it as triangle. Mark 1/4 of the waist round here. In this measurement, waist round is 32 inches. 1/4 of it is 8 and add half inch for seam. So I am marking 8.5 inches. It is 11 inches from top. You can keep the length of the peplum according to your choice. Here I am taking 7 inches as length and mark the 7 inches throughout the triangle. This is the peplum which I am going to attach with the wrap over design. I have attached both the sleeves with body. Now we have to do the side fittings. Start to attach from sleeve. While coming to body, first join both design and body together for 1.5 inches. Then push the design inside and attach only the body. Also do the other sides fitting as usual. See here, I have attached the design with body for 1.5 inches and I have done only the body's fitting. Now we have to do the designs fitting separately. So both bodies and designs fitting are done here. I have also attached ropes for front and back designs to tie them. Now I am going to attach peplum with the wrap over design. For that, match peplum's center with design's center and pin it up. They should be right sides facing each other. Just fold and stitch both the corners and make a stitch throughout the design. Guys, this is how it looks after finishing. Hope you all enjoyed the video very much. Thank you. Bye.